Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix PNB mobile banking login error issue. If you are facing login error issue, then this is the video for you. I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow this step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Then turn your Wi-Fi off and on again, or switch to mobile data. Then if it's not working, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems, and this helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is check your username and password carefully. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully, turn off cap locks, and sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for logging errors. So the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open Play Store or App Store, search for the app, tap on update option if it is available. Old version may also not work properly. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side, the app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Make sure many users also may face the same problem. So the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on app management or apps, then select the app or app list, tap on and search for the looking app, then tap on storage and cache and click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, restart your phone, and install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.